first fish of the session, first fish from this lake as well, and yeah, look at that, beautiful little fish, probably only about 4 or 5 pound, but yeah, really happy to get the first fish of the session. I reckon plenty more to come hopefully, so I'm going to get this one back, get back in the bivvy because it's bloody cold out here, and yeah, hopefully we'll get interrupted again soon. Well, there we go, second fish of the session. Rod tore for about 7 o'clock this morning from the right hand rod, and yeah, look at this beautiful carp, £16.7, and yeah, I'm going to get it back because it's an absolute block of ice, and I'll go through the tactics and show you my bags and stuff very soon. Look at that, beautiful fish. Alright, so I'm just going to run you through my solid bag mix. I'm just going to start with some of the Attract Natural pellet in 2mm. And get some of that in the bucket. There you go. Not going to use too much on here today. And I'm going to also add some of the Attract Natural crush as well. Get that in there. There you go. Sort of about 50-50 mix that I like to use. There we go. And then to finish it off, just going to pour some glug over the top. Ooh. Lovely. Alright then, that's happening. Give that a nice stir up. A little bit more, want it nice and moist. There we go, that should do it. Doesn't matter getting your hands a bit dirty. Look at that, lovely stuff. Alright, so I'm just going to show you how to tie my solid PVA bags now. I'll start off with the rig first of all. Start with a Signet PVA bag stem and lead. I'm using a 2.5 ounce lead here today. Ideally I'd like at least a 3, but this was all I could get unfortunately. Then I got 4 inches of nice supple braid, little kicker on a size 6 wide gape, and I'm fishing that German style, just a little hook bead and a micro swivel. And on the hook I've gone with a Attract Natural barrel wafter, sort of match the hatch really with the mix, and yeah, I love a yellow hook bait, always do really well on them. So yeah, I'll show you how to tie the bags now. Right, just open this up. There we go. So what I like to do is I like to grab a little handful, fill it up about a third of the way. There we go. And then the next bit, the lead goes in next. There we go. Tap that down, use that to compact the mix nice and well. There we go, keep patting that down. And this bit's really important. You want to make sure, I want to get my lead as far back in the bag as possible, so my hook bait and my lead are nice and separate. So I'll push that to the back, leave the hook bait hanging out like that, and then just top up with a bit more pellet, tap that down a little bit more, there we go. And now to get the hook bait in, just lay that down nicely in there, and I like to push my hook bait down. Ouch. I like to push that down so my hook bait is directly opposite the lead, like so. There we go. That just ensures that I've got nice separation between the lead and the hook bait, and I know that's going to be presented really nicely as well. And just to finish it off, just a little bit more pellet, just to cover that hook up really. There we go. Tap that all down there, nice and tight. Not gonna get it perfectly tight because I'm only chucking it a short way, so don't need to really worry about getting it to range. There we go. And then just attach it. I mostly always just lick and stick unless I'm chucking it long distance and I need to use some PVA tape just to make sure that it doesn't split or anything. So yeah, once you've got that nice and compacted, just give it a good lick around, pinch it nice and tight, and yeah, just twist that around, hold on to it for a few seconds. There we go. And as you can see, that's nicely on there. Hopefully you can see. And then just to finish it off, just pinch the corners in, just tuck that in even tighter. There we go. Stretch out as much as you can. Give that a nice little lick. Push that down. Hold that down for a second. And we're going to do the same on the other side. There we go. There you have it. Nice, small, compact, solid bag. Right, well, we're now coming to the second night of the session. Yeah, very happy with how last night went. 2 fish from this lake in the conditions that we had last night as well. It really wasn't ideal. So yeah, I'm absolutely chuffed to bits with how it's gone so far. Gonna keep things the same for tonight, stick with the solid bags, and yeah, I'm feeling very confident in another few fish tonight. Yeah, it's been pretty quiet all day though, but I've had the rods in most of the day really. We went around the lake, done a bit of lure fishing, which unfortunately didn't work out, but did have a bite or two, but unfortunately no fish were landed. But yeah, my mate's now joined me in this swim. He's got a bit fed up over there blanking, so he's gone with the left hand side. I'm sticking with my areas on the right hand side, and hopefully I'll have another fish soon.